India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapuca. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
कोलवाळे जेलीत कैद्या मेरेन ड्रग्स आणि बाकीच्यो गजाली पावंक जायना म्हूण जेल प्रशासन दोळ्यांत तेल घालून आसा. बुधवारात जेल गार्ड सुरेश गावडे कडच्यान 4 ग्राम कोकेन जप्त केल्या उपरांत आता पुलिसांनी हे केसीचे मुळा मेरेन वचपाचें थारायलां. सुरेशा कडेन कोकेन दिवपी काणकोणच्या योगेश पागीक पुलिसांनी उखल्लो. जेल गार्ड गावडे हे कोकेन अंडर ट्रायल आशिल्ल्या विकट भगताक दिवपाचो आशिल्लो म्हूण म्हापशेचो SDPO जिवबा दळवी सांगता.
We have interviewed the accused person and we got to know that the drugs which were found in the possession of the jail guard was supposed to supply to one of the under trial prisoner, Vikat Bhagat. We have done the scientific investigation and we found that Vikat Bhagat was in touch with one person from Agonda, Canacona, and further we confirmed from the accused person also, and then through surveillance we got to know that this Yogesh Pagi is involved in this case. So yesterday night we picked him up from Canacona, Pagi, and then we arrested him in this crime. He has confessed the crime, and we already have enough evidence to connect this Pagi to this crime. So this is the second level of chain of investigation. Usually second level is very difficult to reach. So only because of good work for the team of Colvale police station, it was done successfully.
तपास दुसऱ्या पावण्यार पावला. नेक्स्ट लेवलाचेर व्हरतले.
Now we have gone to second level, and then we will try to get the third level so that we can get a major success in this case.
पुरोटांटा खातीर श्यामसुंदर फट्टे.